In the silent hour, in the hall, shadowed light, brushing the sleep from your dry dazed eyes, through the silent hour, keeping watch until the end. Come seeping gradually back as you mend. Photos show where you have been, but why so anxious to be seen? Trace the thread to be sure it always leaves you wanting more. Names and notes in abstract keep hiding in your head, grasping for some lost ideal, but it's not something you can steal. And you look into his eye and find the thing you fear, sending shivers down your spine. Your own voice echoes in your ear. My God, take it away, you say. I'll be a better man. Take it away, you cry. Let me be who I can. Appearance for the watching eyes, and yet you judge how hard they try. But less time for those who really care. It's wasted seeking more out there. Knuckles wide and cows scared, digging for a way to begin. Reminder from another time of what is yours and once was mine. And you look into his eye and find the thing you fear, sending shivers down your spine. Your own voice echoes in your ear. My God, take it away, you say. I'll be a better man. Take it away, you cry. Let me be who I can. In the silent hour, in the hall, shadowed light, rushing the sleep from your dry dazed eyes, through the silent hour, keeping watch till the end. Calm, sleeping gradually back as you